Let me tell you something that most people realize far too late about day trading. Day trading looks very easy when you're watching someone else do it. You watch a trader online, they open a trade, price moves a little bit, they close it, and then they make a few $100s, and you think, that doesn't look very hard. But the reality is very different when it's your money on the line, because suddenly the market moves against you and you hesitate and you second guess yourself, and then you close trades too early or you hold them too long. And that's usually the moment that people realize that day trading isn't just about charts, it's about decision making under pressure. So in this video, I want to talk honestly about day trading, what it actually looks like in the real world, and why so many people struggle with it, and what you need to understand before deciding whether day trading is something that you should even be doing. Because day trading can work, but it only works when you approach it the right way. All right, let's break this down. All right, let's start with the basics. So day trading simply means opening and closing trades within the same day. You're not holding positions overnight, you're not investing for weeks or months. Your trades usually last minutes or hours, and the goal is to capture smaller price movements within the trading session. And that's it. Day trading isn't a special type of market. You can day trade Forex or futures or stocks or crypto. It's simply a style of trading based on shorter time frames. But shorter time frames come with their own challenges because the market moves faster. Decisions happen faster. Emotions show up faster as well. And one thing most people don't realize about day trading is how much screen time it involves. When people imagine day trading, they picture placing one or two quick trades and then walking away. But the reality is often very, very different. Day traders spend a lot of time watching markets, waiting for setups, analyzing charts, monitoring price action, and sometimes doing nothing for long periods of time. And that's something that beginners, or a lot of beginners, underestimate. Day trading is not constant excitement. It's mostly patience, waiting for the right moment, and then executing quickly when that opportunity appears. Day trading is difficult for a few reasons. First, markets move quickly. There's less time to think, less time to analyze, and less time to correct mistakes. Second, the noise in the market is much higher on lower time frames. Small random price movements can easily trigger emotional reactions. And third, transaction costs matter more. Because day traders place more trades, spreads and commissions accumulate very quickly, and that means that your strategy needs to be very precise to remain profitable. These factors make day trading more demanding than longer term trading styles. Day trading also introduces psychological pressure because everything happens in real time. You might see your trade move against you within seconds. You might see profits appear and disappear very quickly. And that can trigger emotional reactions as well, fear and greed and impatience. A lot of traders struggle with that environment because it requires calm decision making under a lot of pressure, which is why emotional discipline is even more important for day traders. But despite the challenges, day trading attracts a lot of people, and there are understandable reasons for that. Day trading offers immediate feedback. You see the results of your decisions quickly. There's no overnight risk. And for some traders, the faster pace simply suits their personality. Some people genuinely enjoy analyzing markets in real time at that speed. But attraction alone won't guarantee you success, unfortunately. Day trading still requires skill and patience and risk management. Risk management becomes even more important in day trading because trades happen more frequently. Losses can accumulate quickly if risk isn't controlled properly. Professional traders usually approach day trading with very, very strict risk limits, small position sizes, clear stop losses, defined trade plans, because even a few emotional decisions can undo a lot of good trading. This is why discipline matters so much. So is day trading right for you? Well, not every trader needs to become a day trader. Some traders perform better with swing trading. Others prefer long-term investing. The key is understanding your own personality, your schedule, your tolerance for stress. Day trading requires time, focus, and emotional control. And for some people, it works very well. For others, slower trading styles might be way more suitable. There's no single correct approach, only the one that fits you best. But the truth about day trading is that it is neither a guaranteed shortcut to wealth nor an impossible activity. It's simply a demanding trading style, one that requires preparation and discipline and experience. The traders who succeed in day trading treat it like a professional skill. They manage risk carefully, they follow their structured routines, and they focus on consistency rather than excitement, because in the end, at the end of the day, successful trading, whether it's day trading or any other style, comes down to the same core principles: structured routine, risk management, and discipline. Now, for me personally, I recommend that most people don't try their hand at day trading until they're a bit seasoned in longer term trading, because it's a bit like playing the guitar and trying to shred a solo on day one. It's going to be quite difficult for you to do that because you need the muscle memory, you need the practice, you need to be in a kind of unconsciously competence level where it's second nature. Whereas if you've built those skills in a nice relaxed environment, you can then just speed that up the more competent you become. So day trading is definitely for the more advanced trader. I would begin swing trading first, then going into day trading. If you go over to tier1trading.com, we teach all of that. We give you everything you need, when you need it, how you want it, and we teach you how to develop your system to suit your personality, your lifestyle, so you can build trading around your current lifestyle, which makes it very, very difficult to fail. So go and check out tier1trading.com, or if you're brand new, stick around on the channel. I'll put some other resources in the description down there. And if you really want to get just your feet wet and you're not too sure, check out my 30-day trader challenge. In that program, it is my goal to get you more confident placing a live trade in 30 days than you'll find anywhere else online. And until next time, take care, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you then.